Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200, and of course I'm on 15-minute time frame, okay, and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do our analysis right from here. This actually started an uptrend right from this support region, okay, and of course broke out from here and also got to this region, had a pullback and broke out above it. Okay, it has gotten to another resistance zone. If it should break out above this, then it's going to buy more. Okay, but if it does not, then we are most likely to see another sell trend. Of course, it might want to pull down a bit before breaking it out. Okay, if it's going to break out, because this is an uptrend movement. Okay, however, it might want to sell a bit even if it's going to break out. That is if it does not change the direction of the trend totally. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment, except if it's unable to break out from that resistance zone. The next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out. This is GainX 999, and I would love to take it out. Let me see on 1 hour because of the ranging area, because it has been ranging there for a while. Okay, so actually this is trying to go back on uptrend because of this support region, and let me see. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to take it back to 15-minute time frame right now. In the structure on 1 hour time frame. Okay, so let's check it out on 15-minute time frame. These have been on uptrend for a while, but it's actually got to this resistance zone and it has not been able to break out from here. So it's had a pullback and you'll be trying it out again. If it should break out above it, it's going to be targeting this region. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. Okay, this is still buying at the moment. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. This actually started an uptrend right from here and broke out from this particular resistance region and it has got into this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there. So it started a downtrend right from there. You can see it crashing down or heavily right from there. So this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So you should take advantage of that because that trend is just starting. Okay. So next asset is going to be Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999. This actually started a downtrend right from this resistance zone. I gave us this signal yesterday. Even though it has been up and down, the movement has not been smooth due to so many holidays around the corner. Okay, so generally the movement of the market has been like that. Okay, and of course the market is getting stabilized gradually. Okay, so that is why I had to draw this resistance trend line just for us to monitor the movement and the activities within here. Okay, as we can see, this is still trying to sell more because it is still very much on downtrend right from there. But when it got to this support zone, it tried to go back up, and of course, this is a pullback. And once the pullback is over, I expect it to sell more, and this may likely break out from here. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80, and of course, this actually got to the support zone after selling for a while. It has not been able to break out from there, and it started an uptrend right from there, and it has been buying since then. Okay, so this is buying right now, and it is more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So you guys can take advantage of that right from there. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love this content, can you give me a follow right now? Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. And of course, guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me down there in the comment section or within I mean, you can drop it as WhatsApp message on my WhatsApp page. I will be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God